everyone, Mike from Survivalist Mentality, and I'm back again with episode number 5 of our installment series on items that you might want in the event you find yourself in an urban disaster. Okay, so these items can also be used in a wilderness environment or bush environment, but for the purpose of these episodes in this installment series, we're referencing the urban environment. Okay, can you guess what I'm going to talk about today? No, unfortunately it is not first aid, but if you guessed fire starting, you would hit the nail right on the head. So let's get to it. First on my list of items that I build all kits with is the Bic Flex lighter. What is very important about this particular lighter is that it stores quite a bit of fuel. The flex head makes it easy to store and also easily reaches places hard to get to. And this particular lighter is excellent for rapid fire starts. Second, and my most favorite, is the magnesium fire starter. You can find this particular fire starter in almost every outdoor store, Gander Mountain, Dick's Sporting Goods, you name it. It's got a ferrocium rod on the side for the sparking, and the silver part is soft magnesium. And it also comes with a steel comb that has a serrated edge to get some of that magnesium off, and also strike in the event you do not have a knife. I recommend you use the back of a knife. It will be significantly easier to use due to its size. What is great about magnesium fire starters is they burn at 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also get about 100 plus fire starts out of this if you're conservative. Alright. Third is stormproof matches. Stormproof matches are a great addition to any kit. You can get a couple containers and add them to your kit. They are waterproof and also very visible in case you drop them. The strike pad on the edge can be used in adverse conditions, and the matches themselves last significantly longer than a normal match. Alright, so I hope so far we've talked about a few items at least that you don't have yet in your household or your kit. And the fourth item is not really a fire starter, but I'm going to throw it in the mix because it is equally as important, and that is the fuel. Alright, so you see how small these guys are. These Esbit fuel blocks, they burn at an incredible 1800 degrees Fahrenheit, and they last in that size about 5 minutes. Each block can be used in conjunction with a mess kit or a camp kit so that you can boil water easily, as well as also help start fires a lot easier than going and finding possibly some tinder that might be saturated due to the previous night's rainfall. Everybody, I am thankful for all your patronage and support on Survivalist Mentality, and I look forward to speaking with all of you, or rather, talking about our next item in episode 6. See you there.